Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to put on a shawl. First, take your shawl and fold it in half lengthwise, creating a long, narrow rectangle. Then, drape this folded shawl over your shoulders, making sure both ends hang evenly in front. Adjust it gently so it rests comfortably and symmetrically across your back and shoulders. This simple method provides a classic and elegant look for any occasion. Now, let's try a stylish tuck. With the shawl already draped, take one of the front ends and bring it up and over your opposite shoulder. Smooth the fabric so it lies neatly across your chest and back. This simple maneuver secures the shawl in place, preventing it from slipping, and creates a chic, asymmetrical silhouette. It's perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your outfit. For a more defined silhouette, consider belting your shawl. After draping it over your shoulders, take a thin belt and place it around your natural waistline, over the shawl. Cinch the belt gently to secure the fabric. This not only keeps your shawl firmly in place, but also accentuates your waist, adding a fashionable and polished touch to your ensemble. It's a great way to transform a simple drape. Finally, for a relaxed yet elegant look, try the arm drape. With your shawl simply draped over your shoulders, gently gather one side and bring it to rest over your forearm. This allows the fabric to flow gracefully, offering a sophisticated and effortless style. It's ideal for cooler evenings or when you want to showcase the shawl's beautiful pattern without fully covering your outfit.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.